Question: can the police search through my phone during a Section 1 PACE stop and search? This is a very common question. Let me make 7 points. Point 1. The police do have wide powers to lawfully stop, detain and search you or your vehicle under Section 1 of PACE, which is a suspicion-based stop power, and can lawfully be used if an officer has reasonable grounds for suspecting that he will find stolen or prohibited articles. Point 2. Assuming the police have lawfully used Section 1 of PACE to stop, detain and search you or your vehicle, 2 questions might arise during the stop. A. Does Section 1 of PACE allow an officer to search through your phone, to see saved photos, watch saved videos, read messages, review the internet search history, or check which social media apps are on it? And B. Does Section 1 of PACE allow an officer to demand you give them your phone's password to access your phone or the apps on the phone? Point 3. The answer to both questions is no. The police do not have lawful powers during a Section 1 PACE police stop and search to search through your phone or to demand you give your phone's password to the officer. Point 4. This means under a Section 1 PACE police stop and search, the officer cannot lawfully search through your phone, even if it's unlocked, without your permission, or demand you turn on or off your phone, or demand you give your phone's password, or threaten you with any criminal offence if you fail to comply with a password demand from the officer. Point 5. For the police to search through your phone or examine it in police speak, the officer would first need to lawfully seize it based on the officer having reasonable grounds for suspecting it to be stolen or a prohibited article as per Section 1 of PACE, or to seize the phone based on another police power and law being lawfully used by the police, e.g. Section 19 of PACE. If your phone is seized, it would be taken away to be examined by a specialist police officer or investigator. Point 6. If at a later date and time following your Section 1 stop and search, an officer has difficulties accessing your seized phone because it's password protected, the police do have lawful powers to demand you give your phone's password to them. You are under a legal responsibility to give them your password, and the police can lawfully warn you that your failure to do so would be a criminal offence punishable by a prison sentence, but only when a Section 49 Ripper notice has been served on you. Please watch Can the Police Demand My Phone's Password about Section 49 Ripper notices. And point 7. During a Section 1 PACE police stop and search, the officer cannot deliberately damage your phone or intentionally delete content from your phone. This would be a criminal offence and or police complaint. Speak to a specialist lawyer. Feel free to comment, follow, like and share.